Sankalp Club. The very word Sankalp, meaning resolve, is our objective. We resolve to be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. We resolve to make a difference in the lives of those who slip through society's cracks, unnoted, invisible. We in St. Xavier's School, Bhopal, feel blessed that through the Sankalp Club, we have been able to bring some cheer into the lives of people from all walks of life. The rejected elderly, the abandoned children, the sick in hospitals, their attendants, and so many more. A unique initiative of the Sankalp Club has been the Zave's Kitchen that has thrived under the enthusiastic and complete support of our principal, Reverend Father Varghese Shiju. Here we cook with love and share with the less fortunate.
हमारे विद्यालय के संकल्प क्लब के छात्र छात्राओं ने प्राचार्य महोदय के सानिध्य में शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं के सहयोग से सेवा कार्य के अंतर्गत भोजन बनाकर विभिन्न स्थानों पर वितरित करने का सेवा कार्य किया। कोई सब्जी काट रहा था, कोई आटा गूंथ रहा था, तो कोई धनिया पत्ती तोड़ रहा था, तो कोई आड़ी तिरछी गोल मटोल पूड़ी बना रहा था। परोपकार परमो धर्म, इस पंक्ति को सार्थक कर रहे थे। भोजन दान महादान।
2019 में ज़ेव्स किचन की आधारशिला रखी गई, जिसका उद्देश्य था बच्चों में प्रेम, सौहार्द, अपनापन और सेवा भाव जगाना।
Keeping this ongoing situation in mind, maintaining all COVID protocol, ensuring safety, we are once again stepping out to share the food cooked here, cooked by us all, with that special ingredient, love.
Our heartfelt thanks to Dr. N. Ganesh, Senior Scientist and HOD of Research at Jawaharlal Nehru Cancer Hospital and Research Center and its team for the kind cooperation and assistance in distribution of the prepared food to the patients and their attendants residing at the lodge within the campus. We are sure we will continue to receive generous contributions from you in the future as well. A small contribution on the birthday of your dear ones will bring in loads of blessings. And when you honor the memory of the departed members of your family, feel free to share with us in cash or kind. We will continue to be in solidarity with the less advantaged. We believe together we can.